Hello, my name is Sebastian Schulze. I'm the Product Application Manager of the product group Position Sensors located in Germany. Position sensing with AB Elektronik is a particularly broad field, and considering only the linear applications, typically solved using Hall-based or inductive technologies. Both technologies do have their own individual strengths. SIMPSpad is the first step in the evolution of the inductive technologies, and it is basically combining the best of both in one technology. It has got the flexibility of inductive technologies when it comes to increased measuring ranges, and can work with a magnet as a target, so bigger air gaps are okay as well. With these characteristics, all linear applications with a measuring range bigger than the Hall capabilities can get the benefit of having more degrees of freedom within their mechanical designs due to the fact that bigger air gaps between the sensor and the target and the tolerances can be acceptable. I do speak about gearboxes, actuation cylinders for clutch, brake and valve systems, or even directly attached to a damper for an integrated sensing solution. The sensor is attached to the dust boot and the magnets integrated in the striker cap. They are moving along the sensor surface with the movement of the damper. Due to the huge dynamic forces, the sensing solution needs to work with big tolerances. And it can. We validated this already within sample phases. Our PCB-based position sensors are overmolded with thermoplastic material to protect it against the harsh environment. And to survive this molding process, the electronics are overmolded with an advanced thermoset material. With this inductive approach, it can be scaled up to a length bigger 500 mm. Let's have a look on the hardware. We do have here the SIMPSpad PCB, a populated PCB with the inductive antenna structure along the measuring range. On the other side, we have got a mu-metal layer. The mu-metal layer has got the characteristic that it can be saturated by magnetic density. And the specific spot which is saturated can be detected using the inductive approach. This PCB was for this application overmolded with a first thermoset material, and this thermoset overmolding enables the electronic to survive the final thermoplastic packaging for this application. On the right side, you can see here kind of data logger with the same electronic and a magnet attached to a magnet carrier. This magnet carrier has got like clearance between the electronic and the magnet to show that there's a significant gap possible. And if I put the magnet right over the electronic, right over the mu-metal layer, you can see here, if I move it along the measuring range, that the signal is changing. Right? Thank you for your interest in our technologies, and if you do have any additional questions, just get in contact with us.